Playing Coop, an extraordinarily hard game. It has a realistic portrait of running. I can't get over about this game's greatness. Oh, I lost. I can run for 3 meters. I have once cleared the game. It requires to run 100 meters. Yes. This is a running simulator. The name comes from Q, W, O and P, which are used to control the thighs and calves of our hero, who is a long-distance runner, who can't run very well. Sometimes this guy does these real acrobatic milestones, like long strides and... Yes. It's one of the great browser games I have played. It's also available for iPhone with the price of $1. Not that I'm going to buy it. I can run without a simulator. I was once a fast runner. Now you can remove the S in fast. No, funny joke. Oh, I'm making progress. Lately I've been doing high scores of 25 meters. It's pretty hard to make it to the 100-meter mark. There are certain tactics for playing this game. You might want to try doing it like this, nudging a bit forward. But eventually you will fuck up and the guy will just fall flat on his face. We will probably see that, oh, now I'm taking running steps. And yes, that's what happens. Test it out. It can be found at foddu.org. Oh, wait, I'm mixing languages here. It might be because I have had slightly drinks. You know, holiday and that. What's it called? Is it Easter? Yes, Vappu. Drinking and video games. When I am supposed to be outside enjoying the bright sunlight and drinks with my brothers. Well, each on our own way. Oh look, that was a neat anti-gravitational jump field. Well, let's conclude this video by attempting some real running. Yes, thank you for watching.